What's up guys, it's here. Xiaomi's upcoming Mi A3 unboxing images and live hands-on images currently showing the phone in its full glory, and we also have an official release date of this Mi A smartphone as well as a possible pricing details. So if you've been looking forward to the Mi A3 having a Snapdragon 730 or a Snapdragon 710, you sure will be heartbroken, but here is a solid reason behind it which I've told you in just a bit. The Xiaomi Mi A3 will come in a white box which has images of the phone. The packaging confirms the phone will come in black, blue and white color options. There's also a Mi A3 written in bold white font in front as well. The unit in the box is black, and alongside the phone is a USB Type-C cable and a charger, both in white. B-level sticker on the front of the phone lists some of these specifications like the 48 megapixel triple rear camera system, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle and 2 megapixel depth sensor. It will also have 4030 mAh battery and an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is of course the optical one. And the last specification listed is the processor, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. But based on these specifications, it's clear that this year's Mi A3 is completely based on Xiaomi's recently announced CC9E, and it is understandable why the Mi A3 isn't rocking a Snapdragon 730 processor. If it does, it will most likely affect the sales of Xiaomi Mi 90 or Redmi K20, which has a Snapdragon 730 chipset. As for the other specifications, so it will have a 6-inch Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch, which houses a 32 megapixel selfie camera, and there will also be 18-watt fast charging support as well to charge bigger 4030 mAh battery. Aside from the processor, the Mi A3 is an upgrade over its predecessor in every other way. It has a better display, a bigger battery, brings back the audio jack, and has better cameras. And it has been reported that the starting price may be lower than that of the Mi A2. Now, as for the launch, the poster has surfaced that reveals the Mi A3 will be launching in Poland on July 25th. The date is sort of exactly a year after the Mi A2 launch. The Mi A2 was announced on July 24th in Spain, and now Xiaomi is taking the launch of its successor to Poland a day after its 1-year anniversary. So yeah guys, that's all here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, so please support to subscribe this channel and like this video, and also let me know, are you excited for Mi A3 or not? And yeah, see you soon.